13 former and current PhilHealth officials have been suspended by the Ombudsman. Ombudsman Samuel Martires signed a 6-month preventive suspension order. 5 incumbent PhilHealth officials were suspended. Martires also ordered the suspension of 8 former PhilHealth officials. The suspension orders were signed just as the Senate and House of Representatives are holding separate probes on PhilHealth anomalies. President Duterte has also created a task force to investigate PhilHealth's allegations of corruption.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.